Now, today is 2025, March 11. We will do the Yummy Fruit book, her level test for Ella. Let's start. First, apple.
苹果
Next, banana.
香蕉
Pear.
梨
Strawberry.
草莓
Peach.
桃子
Watermelon.
小枣 No, wait, that one again.
Take your time.
Why do I know this? Oh yeah, 西瓜
Next one, star fruit, carambola.
樱桃
Mango.
苹果
Lemon.
柠檬
Grape.
葡萄
Cherry.
樱桃
Kiwi fruit.
猕猴桃
Pomegranate.
石榴
Persimmon.
柿子
Loquat.
wait. 枇杷
Honey melon.
哈密瓜
What did you call this one? The English one is not honey melon in many houses. Let it go. Orange.
橙子
Tangerine.
橘子
Lychee.
荔枝
Muskmelon.
香蕉 No, wait, I messed that up. 香瓜
Pineapple.
萝卜 No, 萝卜 I keep mixing that up.
Dragon fruit.
Oh no.
They call it
蓝瓜
火龙果, right?
Oh yeah, 火龙果 Yeah,
You pass it. It's very good.
thank you.
Say 再见.
再见